What is good, mga ka-champion, and welcome back to another video. For today's video, guys, I will share with you an important concept that I use that helped me improve my trading skills as well as my trading results. What is that? That is the law of squeeze. Okay, for today's video, I will walk you through the step-by-step process how you can implement and apply this in your own trading technical analysis. All right. So again, thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta. So without further ado, let's get straight to our charts. Alright, so again, sabi nga natin, how are we going to implement and apply the law of squeeze in our trading? So, ano nga ba yung concept ng law of squeeze? From the word itself, squeeze. So, definitely, I will show you one example, and later on, we will apply this in the actual chart. So, ano nga ba yung law of squeeze? So, tandaan natin, as a good practice, I always use market structure, price action, as well as utilization of our multi-time frame analysis. So, I always look at the charts on a bigger picture prior to my lower time frame execution. So, which means we are looking into varieties or we are looking into different time frames para malaman natin where we at the current market and what opportunity does the market offers para makapasok tayo as much as possible on optimal entries and with lesser risk. Okay? So, I do have three major time frames, hard time frames that I consider. So, sabi nga natin, di ba? Meron tayong daily, okay, as our key level, okay, and in combination with H1 as our execution. Okay, this is just a review from my past videos. Okay, so next, so meron tayong 4 hours as our higher time frame and 15 minutes sa ating execution time frame. Okay? And lastly, yung ating 1 hour and then 5 minutes as our execution. So, simply, this daily H1 combination, tinatawag natin siya, di ba, swing trade range, and this is our day trade or intraday range, and lastly, ito yung pang scalp natin. Okay, so tandaan nyo, umiikot lang yung opportunities ko from this combination. So ibig sabihin, if I do have a setup with daily to daily range and H1 as my execution, I will consider that as a swing trade or long-term perspective. Okay? 4 hours, 50 minutes. Okay? So, makakuha tayo ng opportunity within the day. So, which means, pwede tayo matapos or mag-execute within the day. That would reflect to us a day trade opportunity. And lastly, whenever I scalp, I always at least have an hourly key level. So, H1 na 5 minutes represents my scalping range. Okay? So, ano nga ba tong law of squeeze? Okay? How do I implement and apply law of squeeze in this manner? Okay? So, if I do have a range, for example, this is my daily range. Okay, gawin natin blue. Okay? This is my daily resistance and daily support. Okay? Daily. Okay, daily. Okay? Tandaan nyo, daily represents our range from daily resistance. I just put R as resistance and daily support as my daily support. So, in terms of 4-hour range, okay, tandaan natin, 4 hours is within the 24-hour time frame, which is yung daily natin. So, ibig sabihin yan, I can plot my 4-hour range. Okay, gawin natin tong green. Okay. This is my 4-hour range. So, this would be my 4-hour resistance. Sorry. for R. So for our resistance, and this is gonna be my for our support. Okay. And lastly, H1 to H1. Okay, so this is gonna be my H1, H1R or resistance level, and H1 support. So ano mapapansin nyo guys? So everything here has key levels, and depende kung anong time frame na, kung nasaan ka sa time frame na yun. So the purpose of this squeeze method is simply, okay, knowing na ano yung trading range mo as of now. Okay? Let's say, for example, daily R to daily S is meaning our range. So, meaning ang range mo for trading opportunity for a long term is ito. Okay? On the other hand, kapag ka naman 4-hour range to 4-hour range, simply ito yung trading range mo. You are bounded with this level. And lastly, is yung ating H1 to H1. So, ibig sabihin yan, we know that if ever we're trading H1 to H1, we're only limited. Okay? Not limited, but rather, we're only bounded with these certain levels na hindi tayo pwedeng mag-overtrade at not knowing or just impulsively trading all throughout nung range natin hanggang daily. So, tandaan nyo, H1 to H1 is our range for short term. So, aware ako pag nag-scalp ako na hanggang doon lang ako sa boundary ngayon. Boundary na yun. Okay? On the other hand, kapag naman ako nag-day trade, ibig sabihin nan, may range is this area. So, aware ako, nasan ako sa daily, nasan ako sa 4 hours, at alam ko kung anong area ko sa each one. So, the law of squeeze is simply knowing where you're at the current market. So, ibig sabihin, paano tayo hanap ng opportunity? Sabi ko nga, there are some cases that the market, sample lang, ito yung market okay, is nandito. Okay? Yan. Anong ibig sabihin yan? So, which means, after analyze several time frames, after you analyze multi-time frame analysis, it comes to a point that your current market, which is etong point na to, is actually nasa support ng H1. So, that would give you the idea ano yung possible opportunity for now. So, ibig sabihin, ang ino-offer ng market ngayon is a short-term trade, pero limited sa H1 to H1 level. Ibig sabihin nan, if you're going to trade, you are trading as a buy, possibly, okay, in terms of your system rules, na hanggang saan ang TP mo? Hanggang dito lang. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, makakahanap pa rin ng opportunity regardless, okay, kung anong in-offer sa akin ng market dahil I know nasa ang key level ako in this multiple time frames. Okay? For example naman ay ganito. Say lang. Okay? Anong ibig sabihin yan? So, ibig sabihin, currently, yung market price mo is nasan? Nasa hourly resistance. So, anong tanong dito? You have to question now, if I'm at the resistance level ng H1, is there any possibility na tumagos yan papunta sa per hour? Okay? If that's the case, ibig sabihin nan, you will have an opportunity up or down. Bakit? If yan tumagos at nasatisfy yung rules mo for your system, is meron kang H1 level na resistance up to, 4-hour resistance level. Ibig sabihin, you can still have this trading opportunity. Okay? On the other hand, as a sell naman, if it satisfies your system rules, ibig sabihin yan, you can have a sell going back to your hourly support. So, the point here is, we are mapping out levels kung saan yung market possibly magpupunta. At the same time, that would give us the clue ano yung pwede kong gawing opportunity. May it be a long or short opportunity as long as it satisfies your rules. Okay? So, mas napapadali lang yung ating analysis dahil we are mapping out where we at the current market. Long-term, short-term, or day trading opportunity. So, again, if naman long-term tayo, sabi nga natin, if the market, example, is here, example, at some point, yan, ibig sabihin, market now is currently on a daily resistance. Okay? So, which means, okay, may possibility na ang market is pumunta yan ulit sa daily support. So, again, your trading range would be a long-term perspective na ito yung daily to daily range mo. So, anong ibig sabihin yan? I have a long-term opportunity to take a short going back to my daily support, or even, okay, convert it to a short-term opportunity going to my 4-hour resistance as my TP1. Okay, again, we now have flexibility. Ano ba yung pwede kong gawin sa market? Kasi, na ma-map out ko, nasan ako sa market. Alright, so, it's not giving the limitations, but rather the discipline na ano, I'm only bounded with this range, but I have multiple opportunities ahead of me. Okay? So, ngayon, i-apply natin to sa actual charts and how we can use this to take as an advantage, no? Para maging well-rounded yung pag-analyze natin rather than unidirectional, gaya nga ng trend is your friend concept, okay? Trading support or resistance. Again, everyone knows that, but nevertheless, we have to be open to changes that would definitely help us improve yung ating results in the long run. Okay? So, I'm teaching you this concept because I believe no one will ever teach you this. Bakit? They just teach you alin? Support resistance, okay, indicators, okay? You must be good at a basic foundation before you dive into certain advanced stuff na kahit kopyahin mo yun na kopyahin, kakapanood mo, your binge watch YouTube channels or whatever, is hindi ka pa rin mag-improve dahil, again, it's not just about the strategy. Maraming concepts that would help you, even basic concepts that would help you improve your trading skills, okay? So, yeah, so how are we going to apply this concept? So, i-delete ko lang ulit yan. Okay, so now, we are going to apply the law of squeeze. So, paano nga ba natin implement yan? So, we are now on a daily time frame. Okay, so basic setup or basic sequence natin, di ba? We must know the market structure muna. So, market structure-wise, ano nangyari? Market went from this series of downtrend, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then the market somewhat gained momentum towards going for a bull run. So, nangyari is nagkaroon tayo ng, okay, still lower high kasi mas mababa pa rin dito. However, nagkaroon tayo ng higher low. So, which means this is an indecision point wherein the market is undecided whether it's going up or going down. The only time that solidifies the market wants to go up is itong move na yan. Okay, over tayo dahil it broke through this level of lower high and lower high. So, this becomes your new, diba? This becomes your new high. Okay? So, we are just reading market structure, interpreting ano ba ang possibling gawin ng market. So, market now, anong ginawa niya? After mabasa natin market structure, so this is the new high. Over tayo dyan, breaking through this level of lower highs. Okay? And, nag-create siya ng panibagong higher low, which is higher than this previous low. So, which means, more or less, this is a bull run as a group, and this is a, kung i-group natin, no, based sa mga ginagawa kong technical analysis before, I group certain areas of trends. Okay, para aware ako ano yung mga transitions. So, ayan yung bearish. Ito yung ating indecision phase. Okay, you can use that as gray. Okay, and ang aking bull run now for a bullish trend is, okay, itong area na to. Okay, so aware ako na yung market nagta-transition na siya pataas. Okay, so is there opportunity for me? Is there an opportunity for me para makakuha ng long positions? Again, no one knows that yet because we are just reading market structure. Okay, so a higher time frame, yan yung perspective ko. Aware ako that the current structure is bullish. Okay, so delete ko lang ulit. Now, after knowing aking market structure, I'll now use my confluences levels. So, nandiyan yung ating trend lines. Okay, basic stuff. You should know already how I analyze the market. So, again, trend line support and key level of resistance support. Now, we'll mark our resistances. So, meron tayo ditong reaction. So, I'll just use the higher high or this new high as the limit or boundary kasi meron din naman siyang reaction from the past. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is still considered as your resistance. Okay? How about support? I can use my higher low, latest higher low as my support level. Okay? Dahil meron din naman siyang reactions, okay, from the previous levels. So, significant pa rin siya in the long run. Okay, so yan yung mga key points na tinitignan natin. So ngayon, if I'm going to analyze on a daily perspective, di ba, o long term, so aware ako, di ba, even from my past videos na market is on this tight squeeze. Okay? So meaning, on a higher time frame, my only opportunity as of now is at this level. Okay, itong range na yun pwede kong trade. The only time that I will go for a long position, sabi ko nga, even from my past videos, is knowing where you at the current market and satisfying system rules. So, aware na yan. Kung alam nyo na yung TPWR system, you know already what I mean. So, as a long positions, I want the market na kumawala muna dito sa triangle na yan and mag-react siya dito for a long-term buy. Nevertheless, for a short opportunity naman, okay, I can have this area of what? As a sell. Bakit? Okay, that will show me yung significance ng aking confluences. So, meron akong yan. As a sell, yan yung mga trading areas natin as a sell. Bakit? Sabi ko nga, as I buy, dito yan kasi you are above horizontal support, you are above counter-trend support, and definitely, kung makita nyo yung long-term counter-trend resistance natin, nabasag na yan, di ba? Kaya nga siya nagkaroon ng group na bullish group pagdating sa trend. So, this is my buying area. Okay? And this is my selling area. Dahil, bakit nga selling opportunity yan? I am below resistance. I am below previous support that pag nabasag yan, magiging resistance in the long run and counter trend line, broken counter trend line support. So which means, ang goal ko lang naman sa market is mabasag yan, mag-react for a long-term sell. Alright, so as we move on, syempre, dyan na magmamatter yung i-apply natin yung law of squeeze. In what sense? Okay? Now, i-apply natin law of squeeze in such a way na yung ating previous day candles, highs and lows. Okay? Ibig sabihin kung daily, previous day highs and lows, 4 hours, previous 4 hour highs and lows, and 1 hour, previous 1 hour high and low. So, ibig sabihin, for this example, okay, my previous day definitely would be itong area na to. Okay, I'll use blue line para ma-distinguish natin yung previous day highs and lows ng market. Okay, so yung black line is simply my higher time frame structure key leveling. So, ibig sabihin yan, for daily time frame, okay, for this perspective, I am now within this range for a high and low, previous day high, previous day high, and previous day low. Okay? So, ibig sabihin na, if I want to take a long opportunity na, tandaan nyo, meron pa tayong space dito na pwedeng i-trade from that higher time frame resistance and this counter trend line resistance. So, ibig sabihin, if I want to buy, it would make sense only na kailangan mabasag ko muna tong level na tong dalawa. Ito at ito. So, which means, based sa system, di ba, kailangan you're above para makapitalize mo at least yung range na yan. But, nevertheless, wala pang nangyayaring gano'n, so we're only speculating ano yung mga possibilities. And if you want to sell naman, syempre, dito ka sa resistance ng previous day high hanggang dito sa previous day low. Or if mabasag yan, you have a sell opportunity hanggang dito. So again, those are all mapping out the possibilities through squeezing the market from previous day highs and lows. So ngayon, aware na tayo nasa yung previous day high and low natin from previous candle. So now, we go down to 4 hours to check is there any market structure relevance sa nakikita natin ngayon. Okay, punta tayo ng 4 hours. Right. So, structure-wise, napakagandang tingnan at napakadaling i-analyze. Okay, bakit? Okay, so una-una, syempre, markahan mo muna using your confluences method. Okay, I'll just use this. So, saan nanggaling yung point na yan? From this origin and then from this point. Okay, so we can use that as anchor point for our trend line support. So again, aware tayo that this is the previous day high and previous day low. Okay, yung kulay blue na yan. So, Inipisan ko pa to para, yan. Inipisan ko yung 4 hour. So, again, ang logic dito, if you want to day trade, di ba? As I buy, dito na magko-combine lahat. Okay? As I buy, this is my opportunity. Okay? Kailangan mabasag ko to, magpunta dito yung market. So, which means, I'll be above broken counter trend resistance. Okay? Broken resistance, I am now above nun. At the same time, I will be above nitong trend support. So, ibig sabihin, as a buy opportunity, no, I should be in this area. A buy. Okay? This HPT zone na yan. Nevertheless, if I want to sell naman, okay, this would be a good spot. Okay, bakit? You are, same concept, no? Broken counter trend support, below resistance or below support, dating support, and you are below trend line resistance. So this is a good spot for a sell opportunity. Okay, as well as, okay, another selling. Nakita nyo, ina-apply natin yung nakita rin sa higher time frame and lower time frame. So, using the squeeze method para aware tayo nasan tayo sa current market and ano yung mga opportunity na pwedeng gawin natin. So, ang goal ko dito, ito siya dito, at mag-materialize pa yan, trend continuation up until here as take profit. Okay? So, the point here is, we know already ano yung mga trading range natin in a 4-hour level. Okay? So, all I have to do is wait for the right timing and opportunity magpunta sa HPT zone. Satisfying system rules. How about short-term trades? So, meaning, mas short-term pa. So, ibig sabihin yan, previous 4-hour candle, okay, I will mark that as my key level, okay? Yan. So, ito yung previous 4-hour range natin. So, which means, okay, bababa na ako ng 1 hour. Okay? So, don't be confused sa mga lines kasi this is just how I view the market. Okay? Whenever I do analyze certain areas. Okay? So, aware ako ngayon na nasan ako. I am at the 4-hour. Tingnan nyo, ito yung 4-hour ko. 4-hour previous day low. Previous low. 4-hour previous low. And 4-hour previous high. Okay? So, ngayon, nasan ako sa market? I am now at the 4-hour previous low. Ibig sabihin, I still have an opportunity for a buy. Diba? Kasi I am at the support level and I am above trend line support. So, which means this is a good spot for a what? A buying opportunity. Okay? But, saan ako mag-execute? Again, mas mababang time frame. Tanda natin, 5 minutes. So, ibig sabihin yan, in order for me na magkaroon ako ng opportunity is, titignan ko yung mangyayari dito sa 5 minutes. Okay? Titignan ko yung structure at ititipi ko lang siya hanggang dito sa 4-hour previous high ko. And also, the daily previous high. Diba? Yan yung blue lines na yan. And pag tumagos yan, then I can take a long-term, diba, 4 hours range hanggang dun sa nasaan. Yan dito. So, yung malaking space na yan is still may possibility of long opportunity. So, again, magkaka-connect lang yung ina-analyze natin from lower time frame to higher time frame. But nevertheless, it gives us multiple opportunities. At the same time, hindi kayo ngayon malilito, nasan ba ako sa current market? Ano ba yung opportunity? Tama ba yung gagawin ko na patagos yan all throughout or magugulat na lang ako na babagsak? Again, aware ako, nasan ako ngayon. I am at the 4-hour previous low. Ibig sabihin, pag pumunta ako ng 5 minutes, magkakaroon ng structure. Okay? Then, I will just have to satisfy my system rules. So, ibig sabihin, if I want to buy, I want to break through dito sa, diba? Level na yan. Following system rules. Bakit? Ngayon na magtutugma-tugma yung system as a short-term buy. Bakit? Ito yung HPT zone ko as a buy. Bakit HPT yan? Pag nabasag ang market, nabasag ito ng market, I am now above nitong counter trend line resistance. I am now above horizontal support. And I am now above this 4-hour trend line support. So, ibig sabihin yan, this is a good spot for me to buy. Nevertheless, I still have to follow system rules kasi I have to broke to dito at mag-correct your market dito bago punta sa taas. So again, that is how I be using the law of squeeze. I squeeze the market to know small details, nasan ako, saang level ako, support ba or resistance or previous low ba or previous high. And then that will apply also in confluence sa system. So it would make sense na bumili ako sa ngayon, okay? But of course, following system rules from this area. So I have multiple opportunities ahead of me. Why? I have a short-term buy going here as TP. Okay? Kapag ang market nag-consolidate, pumunta yan dito, below nitong level na yan, okay? I can sell hanggang dito ulit or even hanggang dito sa ilalim. Or pag nagtuloy-tuloy yung aking short-term trade na tumaas, natagusan lahat ng key level nito sa daily, 4-hour previous high, 1-hour previous high, then this is a good spot for high probability trade zone. But of course, I have to follow yung correction rule, then look for buying pressure candles. So again, it provides me a good look sa market. At the same time, aware ako saan yung limitations ko. So aware ako na hanggang dito lang ako for now. Okay? And my trading range for selling is hanggang dito and also dito within that daily time frame at yung aking 4-hour to 4-hour range na buying opportunities nandito pa pupunta rito. So going back sa ating daily, okay, I'm still aware ano yung ginagalawan ko, di ba? So marami mang action na nangyayari sa lower time frame but still I know my long-term view for me to take a long-term trade or long-term perspective trade. Nasaan yun? Dito pa or dito. So, ibig sabihin, I am opening a lot of opportunities pagdating sa swing, day trade, or scalp. So, again, it's all about a matter of knowing where you at the current market, at the current time frame, utilizing as well top-down analysis. So, that is how I use and apply law of squeeze dito sa ating technical analysis. Again, for some, it might look complicated, but if you really understand yung TFP water system, go check that out, guys. So, that is just a simple concept of knowing your confluences definitely will help you improve your trading analysis and, of course, trading results na rin. So, again, I hope this video helps how you can use law of squeeze and how you can implement that as well in every opportunity makita mo, short-term, day trading man, or long-term. Yan, sa market, it always unlocks opportunities. Okay? You just have to know what you are looking for at ano yung gusto mo mangyari. Know your system rules and follow your system rules with proper risk management and a good trading psychology. Alright? So that will be it for today. Thank you so much to all my TFP VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and sa lahat po ng sumusuporta. Alright, so see you all on the next videos. God bless and bye-bye.
So I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section, and of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So we here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo, guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So, yeah, this is just a minor announcement and hopefully, guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright, guys? So, mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright, guys? So, that would be it. So, yun lang. And thank you very much. Alright, bye-bye.